Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan cubano. First, gather your ingredients: eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. You'll also need a round baking mold about 8 or 9 inches in diameter. This recipe is straightforward, ensuring a delicious, smooth flan every time. We'll start by creating the rich caramel base, then move on to the creamy custard mixture. Get ready for a delightful dessert. Creating the caramel is the first crucial step. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat without stirring, allowing it to bubble and transform. Watch carefully as it changes to a beautiful golden amber color. Once ready, immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into your chosen baking mold, swirling to coat the bottom evenly.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the creamy custard. In a blender, combine 4 large eggs with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Blend until smooth. Next, add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. This ensures a silky smooth flan texture. With your custard ready, carefully pour it over the cooled caramel in your baking mold. Place the mold into a larger baking pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 75 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Chill the flan for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.